to the sky. Never let adventures pass you by. Be free and follow your crazy dreams. We're living our vision in the RV. Come ride with us and you'll be free.
We just left the Naples, Florida area. Actually, this is the first time that we've ever been to Naples.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
We went to Fort Myers Beach.
And I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 la. Making our Christmas memories.
Then we went and seen a friend of ours, Donnie, and he gave us a little tour of the Naples area, which was
very pretty.
Yeah, it was very pretty. A really cool area there. It was really good to see him again. And here we are. We're heading to the Keys. We're going to be there for a couple weeks.
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith. A step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run? Standing on your knees. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening. It's something you don't know. You need a little enlightening. It'll make you grow. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, if you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
Today we got to check into our RV resort in Fiesta Key. And I think we're planning on going kayaking. Where's this pie place that we're going to, that you're wanting to go to, I should say?
It's Blonde Giraffe Key Lime Pie Company, Factory, something like that.
Starting route to Blonde Giraffe Key Lime Pie Factory. Proceed to the route, then turn left.
I see a few others have maybe the same idea. Key lime pie for breakfast. Sounds good to me. Well, I guess it's 11 o'clock. Okay, brunch.
Oh my, it's pie. People have been a little worried about you thinking you're on strike lately.
No.
Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then I say that pie. Pull up, hop up, then
got a little garden out here.
So cute. Look at all the little.
Oh, it is cute. Let's see that coffee. Would they put a little cookie on the coffee?
Yeah, isn't that cute?
Probably key lime, I'm sure.
I'm sure.
This is pretty. You feel like you're in heaven?
Yes.
You have these little areas here, little Wi-Fi zones, plug-ins for your laptop. Yeah, it's got a key lime chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
It's got chocolate on top. That looks really good. And they have the gluten-free one. They come crustless and it comes frozen. She said leave it out for a couple minutes and it'll thaw.
Even the little cookie was good.
The test.
This is probably the best key lime pie I've had.
Wow, that says a lot.
So, our followers that suggested us to come here, I agree with them. Very, very good. That was the best key lime pie I think I've had.
Ever?
I think so.
It was pretty good.
It was very good. The one that I got with the chocolate drizzle, the chocolate was good, but it's the key lime that was the best. The filling was so creamy.
Yeah,
And the perfect match, or the perfect combination of the tartness and the sweetness. Yes?
Can I talk about the gluten-free one?
Okay.
The gluten-free was it was frozen and it thaws out really quick. She said only a couple minutes, but it actually takes a little longer than that. So it was a little bit thicker by the time it was thawing out. It's a little more rich than the original, but it was pretty good. It's a good gluten-free fix.
Yeah, even the little cookie they had on top of the coffee we got, we
Yeah.
saw that you could buy like a little bag of them, but it was good too, so you can get the cookies.
But thank you to who is it, Lupe and Philip?
From Bless2 RV. They have an Instagram, so they had suggested that place, as well as one of my former coworkers, whose also name is Michelle. Hi, Michelle. Had recommended that place. So
yeah, so good recommendation. And that little area that they have in the back, it's very pretty, very peaceful. The garden area. We're gonna go get checked into the Fiesta Key RV Resort, and then and leave. And then hopefully we're gonna do some kayaking today.
We can get lucky.
Tell me I'm a lucky one, riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away. Step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to separate the ones you hate from the ones that you don't know. 'Cause there's a part of you that never could let go.
We got our site number assigned to us. Don't have to put a cone down. They're all assigned sites, and you get escorted to your site, as you saw. There's an old shower house here, real close to where we're at. The guy said it's kind of bad. That's not really the words he used, but Michelle's checking it out just to see how bad it actually is. He said they're getting ready to update this one, so keep that in mind if you come to Fiesta Key. And we're in the 400 section over here. And over by the marina, he said, is the updated nice shower house. Other thing that Michelle was reading, that we cannot receive, you cannot receive any mail at the Fiesta Key. They don't allow any packages, mail, or anything unless you're like a long-term resident there, I guess. Mm-hmm. But so you'd have to use the town of Layton post office, which is really close. Mm-hmm. Get in touch with them and have mail sent if you need something immediately. So keep that in mind. Most of the places we've hardly ever ran across an RV resort that did not allow any sort of mail. We've ran across a lot that doesn't allow mail from the post office, but they will allow packages from like FedEx and UPS.
In the kayak and then put everything in the water and then get in there. And then today the wind is coming out of the east, so we suggest you go this direction, through the mangrove tunnel, under the bridge right here, and then back out and around. It takes about an hour to do that loop. If you decide to go a little longer one, sometimes people will go by that birding island first and then come around this direction and then go through the mangrove tunnel, under the bridge, and then back out. It takes about an hour and a half to do that loop. And then there's also some canals you can go to. And at 3:20, just put the kayak back on the rack, bring all the other gear back to that shed again, and let me know that you're back. I need a driver's license to hold until the end, and then I'll give it back whenever you return.
We need 2 paddles. We're doing a double, life jacket, and the doubles have a padded seat that you use. Paddles and life jackets and seats.
And we're already on the clock.
Yeah, we're already on the clock. She did give us 20 minutes to get all ready and everything.
Yeah, but it's been 10.
Oh, that was 15. The green flags over there shows that wind going straight this way. She said that the wind was going this way, so we should go around this way and go through the mangrove tunnel through down here. But that current changed, so I think we're going to follow the current down. Otherwise we're going to be fighting it coming back. Then we'll go around, and hopefully those flags don't turn directions and go against us. So hopefully that'll make for a...
This is going to be comical.
Here we avoided the rain to come down here, and just a little rain cloud happened to pop up right when we're getting ready to launch. Are we going to melt? No, we're not going to melt. Did you hear that? Soon find out. I ate too much pie! Here we go.
Oh, look, a stingray.
A stingray? Oh, wow. Here. I really don't want to step on that stingray. All right.
Which way do you want me to go?
Here we go. All right, remember how to... Oh, quit wiggling. Let's go closer to the...
Door?
Yeah.
Is that really where you wanted to go?
A rowing we shall go, a rowing we shall go. Singing in the rain. It waited for us to get out here.
Oh my goodness.
Yep. Crabs? Where?
I don't know, but turn it to the left.
I am.
To the left.
I am. Spooky. Huh, there's a gator. Just kidding.
Straight ahead. Watch out. Straight ahead.
Yep. Oh, gosh. Watch the sticks. Sometimes it's easier just to grab the branches when you're in these mangroves to direct yourself. Especially when these vines from these mangroves are all really close. That was close. Oh, there's a bird. Over to your right. Right, your other right.
I'm trying to... That was a crab I didn't want in on.
Look to your right, that white bird. Oh, there's a bunch of birds straight ahead.
Okay.
It's kind of hard to paddle one-handed. Push off that, not too much. It'll turn us.
I don't want a crab.
See, nobody likes crab. Last time we did this was with our friends Bernie and Mike. We had a blast. That was the first time and only time we've done this. So I'm sure they're getting a laugh right now.
We miss them. I'd rather be with them.
I think she just said she'd rather be with you guys than me.
Kinda.
I'm not gonna paddle no more. Make him a turn. Make him a turn.
Turn to the left.
We're turning to the left, my dear. Watch those crabs. They're hard to get rid of.
How do you know?
I remember when you told me.
Whatever.
I learn quick. What are you talking? I'm talking about these crabs crawling on the... What is she talking about? All right. Slow down.
Go too fast.
No.
I wasn't even paddling.
There was a branch right there you could have grabbed, sweetie. Every time we come to a branch. Goodness sakes. So another way you can stop us if you're going too fast to the right, put your right paddle, honey, put your paddle down to the right and push forward with it, not backwards, not back towards me. And it'll slow you down and push you the other direction. Doing my best, doing my best.
Turn.
Yep, and now see if I push down forward with this side, see how it turns you?
Thank God. Okay.
Where's the party? We were told there was a party here.
Where's the sun? Good thing we've got sunscreen on.
I think the party's over.
We never were able to capture any footage of any aquatic life, but we did learn today that a GoPro can experience gas.
sweet home. There. What'd you think? It definitely was. It was fun, but it wasn't as fun as we did over in the Key West.
Yeah, a tour with other people and an actual guide would make it, I think, a little bit more fun.
Well, definitely with other people is fun, and the tour, you learn things about the area.
Yeah.
That part's nice, but it is nice to go when you're like filming or not even filming and just want to do your own thing, and you don't have to worry about keeping up with people.
Yeah.
So like anything, it has pros and cons.
And it is a lot of work. And I'm glad we only did 2 hours.
She said when people usually do a 4-hour, then they wish they didn't because they're done and they come back wanting a refund. So she said do a 2-hour, and then if it takes you longer, then you can always pay the difference when you get up there.
Okay, let's go.
Plus she gave us 20 extra minutes to get down here and get ready and everything. We didn't even ask for it. All right, let's go. Want to clean up here while we're here, or we gotta
let's just go return
eat
the
supper?
stuff first.
Okay. Oh,
Then we
yeah.
can decide.
Okay. I don't know if you guys realized, but remember when we were saying we came up here so that we could bypass the rain?
Then we got rain.
The rain didn't start until we pulled the kayak right to the water and getting ready to get in. The sun didn't come out until we got back and we put the kayak back. And here comes the sun.
And now it's like a glorious day.
I looked up and I could have swore I heard the sky saying, ha ha.
Yeah, exactly.
Came back here to the RV resort. We pulled up here to the shower house. We're gonna run in here, clean up real quick, get dressed, and go get something to eat. Well, the guy was right. The showers were a little nicer here in the marina. Feels good to freshen up, that's for sure.
Yeah.
You guys breathe better now? We're stuffed.
Very.
And that was $90. $90.
That might have been a one and done.
It is a good buffet though.
Yeah,
If you
it's good.
want a good seafood buffet. About $35 a piece. Yeah, that equals 70. How'd we get to 90?
You had a Diet Pepsi.
Yeah, Diet Pepsi was 20. No, I don't know.
No, it was 39. It was 40.
Yeah. Oh, 39. That's right. All right.
Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click that little bell, and hit that thumbs up. See you next week.